Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix your GoPro Lit Hero footage looking shaky on your PC. There's a chance you know that the quick app on your mobile phone actually automatically stabilizes the video, which makes it look less shaky. So as you can see right now, if I show you a video that I have recorded, it is going to not be really shaky. It is pretty stable, as you can see right here. And that is stabilized by the app, right? But if you transfer your files onto the computer directly, they will not have the footage stabilized. So let's move on to the computer now. And let's begin with the beginning of the video. And as you can see, it is way more shaky here. It is literally like very shaky, especially compared to the video I've shown you on the phone. And to fix that, you will need to get the app called GoPro Player. So let's go to GoPro Player. I'll just open a browser and we'll see that. So if I go to GoPro Player, you can see it shows it here. I'll stop that video in the back. Okay. Now for your Mac, you can get it off the Mac App Store. For Windows, get it from Microsoft. So just click here, download. Then it'll download a file that you will be able to open, as you can see right here. And you can then later install it. I have it already installed, but you could have an install button right here. Then go to the GoPro Player app. Now open the media. I'll go to my desktop because that's where my video is already moved. Let's click on open. And now it asks you whether you'd like to apply the HyperSmooth Pro for improved stabilization. You can also select always apply HyperSmooth Pro. I'll just do it once by clicking on yes. Now it'll start loading here. You can see it is starting up. It will take a little moment. And now it is stabilized. So let's try playing it. And as you can see, it is indeed stabilized now, even though you saw how shaky the video was. Yeah, that is basically what it does here. I'll disable that. And yeah, this is way more stabilized. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.